Hey all, welcome back to Ukulele Wine Time. My name is Kathryn. Today we're going to learn how to play 3 amazing beginner ukulele chords, C, F, and G. These chords are going to take you super far. You're going to learn a lot of songs with these chords. Very, very useful, helpful when learning the ukulele. Let's dive in. Ukulele Wine Time. So here are our fingers. We're going to talk finger numbers. Thumb does not get a number. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we're going to start with our C chord. Also, make sure you tune. Did you tune? Okay. So we're going to GCEA, tuning on the ukulele. Okay. So we're going to take our third finger, 1, 2, 3, or your ring finger for our C chord, on the 1, 2, 3, third fret of the ukulele. And this is going to be on the bottom string closest to the floor. Okay, ooh, that sounds nice. So that is our C chord. It looks like this. And you're going to want to push down the string pretty hard with your fingertip. I don't know if you can see that there on the camera. Not your finger pad, but your fingertip. So if you have super long fingernails, you may need to cut them if you're dedicated to learning the ukulele. Okay, so that is our C chord. And for now, I'm just strumming the strings lightly with my thumb of my right hand. I'm pushing down on the string with my left hand. So there's our C chord. From there, we're going to go to an F chord. So we're gonna need peace sign fingers. Okay, so peace sign fingers 1 and 2. So let's start with our second finger. That's your middle finger. It's going to go on the 1, 2, the second fret of the ukulele. And this is on the top string closest to your face. Then you skip a string. Okay, and we're on the first fret, 1 up here with your first finger. And that is going to be on your G, C, E, on your E string. Okay, so that's what our F chord looks like. Okay, play that again. Again, make sure you're in tune. And I'm not pushing quite in the middle of the space in between these bars, but really closer to the bar. Okay, so not directly in the middle, but a little bit closer to the bar. So if you're getting any buzzing, you might need to push just a little bit harder, or you might need to move just slightly closer to the bar, or you might need to cut your fingernails. Okay, so there's our F chord. That's a 2-finger chord. So we went from C, 1-finger chord, to a 2-finger chord. That's our F chord. Now we're gonna go to a 3-finger chord. That's our G chord. Okay, so these same 2 fingers, let's start with our peace sign fingers. We're gonna jump to the 2nd fret, okay? They're gonna reverse order. So this is a good transition to just kind of, I'll do that slowly, right there. Okay, so both of these fingers are on the 2nd fret with a string in between, okay? And you're gonna imagine a triangle on your fretboard. Okay, this is the fretboard, with the flat part on top here, and the point is going to be down here at the bottom. Okay, so this is what our end product looks like. There's our G chord. So we've got our peace sign fingers. Okay, so our first finger is on the 2nd string down from the top. Then you skip a string, and then your middle finger or your 2nd finger, what did I say? The first finger, and then your 2nd finger is on the bottom string there. Then your ring finger comes down on the 3rd fret on the string that you skipped. And there's our G chord, okay? By learning C, F, and G on the ukulele and getting really comfortable with these 3 chords, you're gonna be able to play a ton of beginner ukulele songs. You're gonna be able to go really far with just these 3 chords. If you found this video helpful and delightful, I hope you cheers the like button below. I hope you subscribe to my channel for more ukulele, more wine time. By the way, I've put together a couple practice exercises so that you can practice, if you're ready, going from C to F and then C to G. So check those out. I'll link those below, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers! Ukulele wine time.